आपका स्वागत है Aztec सिविल फैक्ट में. टुडे वी आर स्टडी माइल्ड स्टील स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन curve. On the y-axis we are on the y-axis stress are denoted, on the x-axis strain are denoted, and the mild steel having a carbon content is less than 0.15%, and mild steel samples are put on UTM universal testing machine, and after that tensile load are applied. And first let's start from O to A. The curve is linear and that's called proportional limits A point A, and up to this Hooke's law is valid. What is the Hooke's law? Hooke's law is equal to sigma is directly proportional to epsilon, and sigma is equal to E epsilon. Here the E is the slope of OA, and okay, then the point B is called elastic limit. Up to the elastic limit, the load up to the elastic limit, when the load are removable, the material regain its original shape and size. Beyond the elastic limit, if load are applied beyond the elastic limit, if load are removable, then material do not regain its original shape and size. A to B, AB curve is slightly curvature up to this, and the point C is upper hill point. C is a upper hill point depending upon the load and size, and C up to point C, upper hill point, a carbon bond in the mild steel are broken, and point D is lower hill point, and do not depending upon load, and do not depending upon load and size of specimen. Also, that's why it's considered as a hill stress of mild steel. Point D to E is the plastic region. And plastic zone. At D, the molecules are oriented randomly due to load, applying a load. At a point E, molecules are reoriented and the material become homogeneous and re-resist to load. And after the point E, we start to apply the loading, and material becomes harder due to material become harder at a point E. And let's start the apply the loading, and it reach at a point F, and the strain is 20%, and that point is called ultimate stress of mild steel, and that zone are called strain hardening. After that we have start the loading, and the material become a fracture, and at a point G material fracture. The strain is 20%, and that's called strain softening or strain nagging zone. Okay friends, this is complete mild steel stress strain. Thank you friends.